Alright.
Okay.
Yep. Ryder's gonna go swimming. Ryder, do you like the pool? Whoop. How about a spin around, Daddy? Woo!
You wanna look at Mommy? Are you swimming?
It looks like he's eating his hands in the pool.
That's pretty much what he's doing.
Hold him on his back and spin him.
I'm gonna get his hat wet.
It's okay. Whoa!
Hi. Hi.
Okay, that's enough swim. Oh, no, I wasn't prepared for that. Woo.